Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can set up Stripe webhook into your WordPress WooCommerce website. So first of all, you need to log into your Stripe account. You can see that I have this Stripe page here. I need to sign in first. So let me log in over here, and then after you have also need to log into your dashboard of the WordPress. So I have my test account here. Once you are done with the two-step authentication, then you will be getting this specific dashboard. So for now, let me do one more thing. I am going to log into my dashboard of the WordPress WooCommerce website. So here is my WordPress WooCommerce website, and you need to go to scroll it down and click on plugins. Make sure that you have already installed the WooCommerce plugin over here. I have already installed. I am going to install one more plugin. So let me click on add new on the top. And then you have to search here. For example, if you have not installed WooCommerce, then you have to search here WooCommerce. And on the top you will be finding this specific plugin. I have already installed and that is active. That's why it is showing active. Otherwise you will be getting a button of install now. So if you have not installed, you should install that first. Then after, you have to install one more plugin of Stripe. So you need to write here in the input box Stripe, and here you will be getting WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. So click on install. So once that is installed, then you need to click on activate. So now that plugin is activated. You can scroll it down, and down below you will be getting WooCommerce Stripe gateway that is active right now. So we have to do some configuration for this one. So here on the left corner you have the menu of WooCommerce. You need to hover over it, and then you need to click on settings. And here you will be getting an option of payments. You need to click on this payments option. Then scroll it down, and automatically the Stripe payment methods would be installed here. So those are already enabled, but you have to click on manage. And once you are done with this one, then please clear all Stripe accounts keys, because if you may have added the old Stripe accounts credentials, then that would be removed. So now you can see that all the things are clear now. So I am going to remove everything from here, and let's check this first. So for example, I am going to open this website on the new tab, and you have to actually buy a product for the testing purpose. So here you can see that I have few products here. So this is €5 product. So let's say I'm going to click on add to cart, and that is going to be added. Then you need to click on view cart, and here you can see that we have proceed to checkout button. You need to click on that, and here you will be getting the checkout page where you have multiple options, like you can add your country name, email address, name and all, and on the right hand side you will be getting the payment methods over here. Currently we have not configured, that's why we are not able to see over here, but once we will be doing the configuration, then all those payment methods of Stripe would be shown over here, right? So let me do some configuration. First of all, you need to log into your Stripe account, and then we have developers, so click on that, and you have API keys, click on this one, and here you have publishable key. You need to click this is actually live publishable key, but you have to keep it test. First of all, click on view data, test data. Why I am clicking on this one? Because currently I am doing the testing payment. Once the test is successful, then that means everything is working fine, and later I will be enabling the live payments, and then we'll copy the live credentials. Alright, so currently I am going to do the testing, that's why I have enabled this view test data, and here you can see that we have publishable key. I am going to click on this one. Once you will be clicking, that would be automatically copied, and you have to paste that over here. So I have pasted that. Then you have another key which is secret key, so you need to click on this reveal test key, or maybe sometimes that would be shown over here. You need to click again, and that would be copied automatically, and here you need to paste that same key. And now we have to set up the test webhook secret, but before that let's see the Stripe is working or not. So let me open this page onto my new tab, because sometimes we have the issue of cache, so maybe you will face that problem. So that's why I am opening on the private browser, or you can call it incognito window. So let me click on shop, and here I have one product. Let me click on that. So add to cart, then we have view cart, and let's see, we have to click on proceed to checkout, and now you can see that we have this checkout page and Stripe is already there. So that means Stripe is working fine. We have a lot of other payment methods of Stripe, so which are enabled already on the Stripe account. So I have to do the payment by adding the payment details over here, but before that let me add the webhook. So first of all, you have this WooCommerce plugin already installed over there, so that means you can do the setup of webhook easily. First of all, you need to copy this specific thing from here. So you can see that this is the website name, then we have the WooCommerce webhook endpoint. So you need to copy this first from here, and then paste it over here. Wait a minute, you have to click on webhooks, and here you have add endpoint. So make sure that when you are going to do the live payments, then you have to click on view, disable this specific test payment, right? Currently I am doing the testing, that's why I am using this test account. So you can see that I have added this endpoint here, and here I am going to write Mr. Digital's webhook. Alright, then we have events to send. So few events we have required to enable here, so I will tell you that why these are useful. So here we have charge succeeded, this is important event. Then we have another event which is source chargeable. Then we have another event which is also important, which is payment intent actually. So here we have payment intent succeeded. Alright, these are the three main events that we need to enable. So sometimes if you will be enabling all the events, then your website would be slowed down. So make sure that you should only select those payment events which are required, all right, which are useful for you right now. And you should not select all those events. So let me tell you what's the role of this webhook. So this webhook role is that for example, you done a specific payment and the payment status is pending, and into your database definitely the pending status would be stored, but after some time the payment status changed to succeeded on the Stripe account. So how your database would be updated? You have the only source, that is webhook. Here you will be adding the link of your website, and then once there is some changes on to your Stripe account occurs, then automatically your database would be updated with the specific status. For example, succeeded, then automatically a succeeded status would be stored into your database. If someone has cancelled the payment, then of course that cancelled status would be added into your database. So that's why this is important. All right, add endpoints. But in the case of credit card, this is not required, but in case of SEPA, direct debit and other payment methods, we have required. Why? Because sometimes the payments get delayed, so because of which we have to set this specific webhook so that our database get updated once a specific change is there on our Stripe account. All right, so you can see that these three events I have added over here, and currently I will have a specific signing secret. So this is webhook secret. So you need to copy this specific secret key from here and paste it, test webhook secret. So here you need to paste that. Once done, then you have to save changes. So this is done, right? So let's do the payment. Let me refresh first. So I have refreshed the page, and let me add here some information, and then for example I am adding this my personal email address. And then after, I am interested to do the payment using credit card. So they have already given the credit card test card number for now, because we are interested to do the testing right now. Then we have to add some future date over here. Then we have to add some test card card CVC, and let's click on place order. You will have to wait for some time until this payment is going successful. So you can see now that thank you, your order has been received. So that means the order has been successful now. All right, so let me show you something on our dashboard. So if you will be clicking on orders on the WordPress dashboard, then you will be getting all the details of the current orders. Wait a minute. These are the orders. So here you can see that I have just now done the payment 39 seconds ago. So that is showing over here processing. But if you will go on to your dashboard of this Stripe, then you will see that just now I have done a payment of €5, and you can see that this is the time, and this is the email address which I have added. And if you will click on this specific order, you will see that we will have those three events. Wait a minute, I'm just showing you. Yeah, so for example I am clicking on this one, then you can see that these are the events, and here you can see that succeeded, succeeded, and succeeded. So these three events we have set up for our webhook, and you can see that charge that succeeded is succeeded, payment intent dot succeeded is already succeeded, and chargeable is also succeeded. So that means our events get fired and these are successful. For example, you are getting some error here, so that means your WordPress webhook is not connected successfully. All right, so make sure you just verify all those events over here. All right, so for example, you are not interested to connect with that specific website, the secret, then you can click on expire secret. So in that way this would automatically disconnected with the website, which is this actually I have just copied from my personal website. This is this website, right? But if you are not interested, you can just click on expire secret, and then definitely whatever secret would be added on to the specific website, that would not be useful. All right, so let me tell you, if you will currently I am doing the testing, right? So now if you are interested to do the live, then what you will be doing is you have to disable this one. All right, and then after you have to click on API keys, and here I have publishable key live. All right, you have to copy this live key and then paste it. Wait a minute, I have to click on WooCommerce, and then we have settings. You have to go there again. Here we have the payments. You need to click on this one, and then we have this Stripe. Then you need to click on manage, and here you can see that enable Stripe. We have already done that. Currently we have enabled test mode, so we need to disable this one. All right, so now we will be adding here live publishable key, live secret key, and webhook secret. So you will have to copy this publishable key from here and then paste it over here. All right, so this is live publishable key. Similarly, you will be adding secret key, so click on reveal live key. So actually for the security reason I am not able to share you this secret key, but you will have to copy this from here and then paste it over here. Again you will have to copy the webhook secret. So how you will be doing that? So you will have to click on webhooks now. So you can see that for live payments I have no webhook set up before. I have set up the webhook for the test payment of the Stripe, right? So you need to click on add endpoint, and then again you have to go there and you need to copy this once again, and then after you need to paste it over here. All right, and then again you have to add here some label so that you identify live webhook Mr. Digitals, and then after you will have to set up those events. So I have already told you that which events are useful for now. Source.chargeable, then we have charge.succeeded, then we have payment intent actually. So here we will be having that payment intent succeeded, and then you need to click on add endpoints. So now you are done with this one. This is connected, and once you will be, these are the three events that are connected. So once you will be doing any specific payment, then that would be reflected below this. All right, so you have to copy that specific signing secret from here. Click to reveal. So for example, I am going to copy this. This is actually the live payment secret, a webhook secret. So you need to paste that secret over here, and finally you have to save changes. So we are good to go with this one. So for example, you have shared with someone else the secret key, so you have the option to delete this one. This is, if you will be deleting this one, then you can again create a new webhook secret key. All right, So there is nothing like once you have shared with someone and then you have the problem. There is no problem at all. What you can do is you can just delete the older one and create a new one. So this is really simple for you. All right, so I think that you got the basic understanding that how you can do the things. For example, someone else is doing your website, creating your website, then you have to share this signing secret to that specific person. All right, and then also ask to him that this specific URL I have required, and basically this portion is already SAM, but this domain name is will be modified for the WooCommerce WordPress website. All right, so you only need to modify this one, and again leave these things as it is, and just copy and paste this specific signing secret and copy and then send to specific developer who is developing your website. So make sure that like this video and subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel. So I have already developed my personal website, so let me show you, so which is keywords.com. so recently I launched this website and I have created a lot of useful tools on that. So if you are thinking that these can be helpful for you, you should also explore this website. I have already made all the tools for free. So these are keyword volume, A to Z keywords. So for example, you are interested to do the blogging and do the marketing and do the SEO of your website, then these tools are really useful for you. All right, so for example, I have this instant keywords. So whatever word you will be writing here, all the keywords on to specific search engine would be shown over here, right? So a lot of good contents are also there. For example, readability checker, I have grammar checker, then I have website tools like domain name search, website review, username checker, keyword position checker. Then we have unlimited keywords, marketing keywords, question keywords, A to Z keywords. So a lot of good content is over there. So make sure that visit on this specific website, and I have also created a new YouTube channel for this website specifically to explore each and every tool. So I have made the separate videos of each of the tool, that how you can use each of the tool for free. All right, so thank you once again. So just keep watching the videos. I have uploaded a lot of good content related to payment gateways and other technical issues. So explore the whole channel, you will get useful content over there. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.